Welcome back, coding heroes, to the 20th magical episode of our JavaScript series. In this second part of our window object exploration, we will uncover more of its mystical properties and methods. So grab your coding vents and let's dive back into the interesting world of window objects. So first is window timers and events. The window objects is not just a static canvas, it's alive with a timer and events. So first we will see the timer example. So I hope you understanding this. Let adjustment timer. We have this variable, and in this variable we have this window dot set timeout. So window dot set timeout is display this console dot log adjustment complete after 3 seconds. So this is means this function will execute after 3 seconds. I hope you understand this. Let's print this, copy this and comment this. So first we have to make a index.html, and here with the power of emit, first we will give the title to it, window object part 2. And if I just go like this, and here we will go to inspect and just go to console, and if I print the this set timeout, here we have this, and if here we have adjustment timer. So if I print adjustment timer, you can see this console dot log and adjustment timer. So if I print this statement will print after the 3 seconds. You can see 1 2 3. You can see this adjustment complete. I hope you understand this. You can, if I change the time, like if I print this, want print this after 2 seconds, so you can see this 1 2, this print. I hope you understand. This is very useful in JavaScript. So let's understand the events in the window objects. So window add event listener scrolling. So if I scroll this will print scrolling through the magical script. So if I copy this, and if I scroll, if I paste here this, so if I scroll, you can see this scrolling through the magical script is printing. So if I scrolling this page 127 times, so he's scrolling through the magical script is printing. I hope you understand this. So let's move to the next. So let's exploration. Set timeout and set interval timer for delayed and repeated action. Add event listener, capture event and enhancing interactivity. So use cases. What are their use cases? This is used for animations, delayed action and responsive designs. So we have this amazing example for both timer and event. So window.set timeout is for clear interval magical light timer, and console will extinguish fire after 5 seconds. So I hope you understand this. You have to just practice this amazing example. I am not here to execute this example. Let's move to next. Window location and navigation. The window object is your guide through the enchantment landscape for your web. So let's understand this location and navigation with this example. Here we have console.log for printing window location.href and window history length. So I hope you understand this. Let's practice this. Just copy this and paste here in the console. If I print this, here we have the location of your window. So here we have the index.html javascript 20, and here we have the location. If I change this location to this, so this is credit.com. I hope you understand this. Let's move to next. First, wait, exploration, window.location provides information about your current URL, and window.history allows to navigation history manipulation, and use cases are dynamically changes URL and navigating through the history. So let's, here we have an amazing example. This is for you. You have to just practice this example. Here we have a let page dot. In this let page, your window location will store, and if let page is equal to this about, so console.log is just print this: you are currently exploring the magical realm history, and else your console will print this. I hope you understand this. You have to just practice this example first. So that concludes our second chapter in the window object saga. In our next episode, we will unravel the final mysteries and applications of this magical entity. If you are enjoying this journey, hit the like button, subscribe for more coding magic, and share your thoughts in the comment below. Until then, may your timer be precise and events be captivating. And happy coding.